last week we explored one of the biggest alphabet trends I've seen on Etsy lately, and today we are going to go ahead and make one. So while researching with Everbee, I came across these Fiesta style alphabet SVG files, and I thought these are genius. They're simple, they're reusable, recolorable, and because they are SVG files instead of PNG or JPEG, buyers can use them in hundreds of different projects. So today I'll show you exactly how I would go ahead and create my own version. Hello there friend, welcome back. Today we are creating Fiesta alphabet SVG files. Now if you've never heard of SVG files before, please don't worry. They're really quite simple. They are just vector graphics, and that means that they can be resized as big or as small as you like without losing any of the quality. They're also completely recolorable as well, which is why so many users absolutely love them. So people use these files, these types of SVG files, for cake toppers, party decorations, vinyl decals, wood signs, t-shirts, stickers, laser cutting, scrapbooking, paper crafts, printable decorations, and so much more. SVG files are incredibly versatile. So let's get into the steps on how I would go about creating these type of Fiesta alphabet letters. So like you know, the very first thing I always do before creating is research. So let's jump on into Etsy and have a look at what we can find. Now, before I even think about designing, I am looking closely at what makes this style recognizable. So when it comes to the specifics of the Fiesta style alphabet letters, I'm thinking, is it floral? Is it geometric? Does it have little decorative elements? Are the letters, sans serif, or are they serif? How are the letters displayed? What makes someone instantly think, yes, this is a Fiesta style alphabet? Now remember, we are gathering inspiration here. We don't want to copy. We're just having a look at some of those design elements that make up this kind of style. Now step 2 is we need to go ahead and find a font to use as our base. Now I love using Google Fonts for this type of project because they are free and commercial friendly. That means we can go ahead and use them for commercial use. We can resell them with modifications without getting into any trouble. Now when we're searching for a font to start with, we're looking for a font that's already fairly close to the style that we're trying to achieve. Not identical, but as close as we can. So just something with a similar feel that gives us a great starting point. Step 3, we are going to jump into Affinity Designer. Now before you get worried and think, oh no, I don't have a vector software design tool. Well, no stress, as the full Affinity suite, including the vector-based program, is now available for Canva Pro users for free. So that means that creating vector graphics like the one that we are going to create is so much more accessible than it used to be. So once we open up Affinity, we are just going to go ahead and type each letter individually and then go ahead and convert it to a curve. And then now we are ready to customize. So step 4 in the process is where the magic happens. What we are going to do is we are going to start adding all those little embellishments that we noticed during our search. Maybe it's flowers or little cutout shapes, decorative patterns, maybe some scalloped edges. Anything that really helps reinforce that Fiesta style. And this is where your creativity really shines and your uniqueness comes through. Now step 5 is simply saving the SVG files. So once you're happy with your letters, the look of them, go ahead and export every single one individually as its own SVG file. I like creating a folder with letters through to A to Z, numbers, symbols, everything neatly organized for the customer. Trust me, your customer will absolutely appreciate it if everything's clearly labeled and sorted. And that, my friend, is really it. Go ahead, upload these as files to a shareable folder with a link or add them directly to your Etsy listing add in your SEO rich titles, description and tags, and then go ahead and publish your listing on Etsy. One of the biggest advantages of SVG files is that they are infinitely scalable. So think, customers can make them tiny or absolutely huge. They could potentially add them to a huge banner on the side of the road. And they will always stay perfectly sharp because they have vector graphics. Even better, they can completely change the colors of these. If they wanted bright pink, neon yellow, dark blue, they can do whatever they want with them. Your customers can go ahead and import them into Canva. They can add them to Cricut Design Space, Silhouette Studio, or even Adobe Illustrator. Then all they need to do is customize them to match any project. And that's one of the reasons these products continue to sell so well. Now, today's video was really designed to give you that overall roadmap, but if you would like to go ahead and create your own alphabet set alongside me, like the actual step-by-step process, I've put together a complete workshop inside of the Creators Growth Club. Inside this workshop, we build an entire alphabet pack together from start to finish. You can go ahead and jump in using a free trial, watch the workshop, access the resources, and then go ahead and create your own alphabet set ready to list on Etsy. If you're interested in checking that out, I'll go ahead and leave everything linked below. Now, I hope that these last couple of videos have shown you that sometimes the best digital product ideas aren't the most complicated. Sometimes they're hiding in something as simple as the alphabet. The trick is learning how to spot the trends, understand why it's working, and then create your own version that brings something fresh to the market. Again, thank you so much for being here watching this video, and hopefully I will catch you inside of the membership, and if not, I will see you in the next one. Okay, my friend, bye for now.